Hello, this is Becky with iHeart Art Studios. I got this new Sony ZV-1 and I saw it on Amazon Warehouse in used like new condition in the all original packaging, but the packaging may be damaged. Just about to open up the box I got today from Amazon. I can hear that it is shaking around in there, so I don't think that there's really any type of packaging included. So just about to open it, and I'm gonna go ahead and see what is in here. So right next to me, I have a cute little dachshund who's experiencing some back pain, so she is taking some crate rest here in the laundry basket. So I had just untaped it, or just used my scissors to open it and realized that I did not have the camera going. So here we go, let's open it up. All right, and I am correct, there is no additional packaging in here, so it was able to just kind of roll around like this. So here it is, the Sony digital camera ZV-1. We move it around. I do hear some movement in there. It does have the Amazon Warehouse great deals on quality used items. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. I do see that the package does have some damage to it, and there is no seal here. So let's go ahead and open it, see if everything is in here.
All right, the Sony digital camera startup guide. Here is Sony accessories, explore the range of accessories. This must be a startup guide because it looks similar, but it is in a different language. So I'm assuming that that's what that says. Sony, limited warranty, US and Canada, 1 year. Camcorder, digital still camera. Okay, we'll see here. Sony, register your product for a chance to win a prepaid gift card. Sony reference guide. So this would be instructions, owner's record, so I can put the model number and serial number and such. And I did some searching as it was before it arrived because I was super excited and did see that there is a whole online manual also.
All right, so that's just part of the cardboard. All right, and you can see there is no additional wrapping or anything on these products. Maybe a little dust. All right, this is a little muff that comes on the camera. Oh, it's so cute. All right, so here is the charging cord, USB, and that micro, or whatever that side is. Doesn't, well, I mean, it's hard to tell if that's been opened or not, but it is twisted there. All right, here is the camera itself. It's so crazy, like I'm holding this camera because I've been eyeing it up and I finally decided to make the purchase. It just has a little dust on it. I'm gonna take a look at this in a second. What else is in here? Okay, and then there is a battery in here. Sony Battery. Lithium NP/BX1 type X. So let's see how this thing works. Okay, this side. See, I am such a novice. I have not had a camera like this since I was a kid, and then the digital world came and I purchased a camera instead, like a phone. It just snaps in. Oh, I mean, I don't know if that's right. I don't want to break it. Like that. Snap. Okay, I'm gonna probably have to do some research on this. But at this point, oh, you have to like move the thing over. Okay, so how does this even go in there? Like that, and if I look on the inside, okay. Lock it. Okay, on, off. Turn on. Little button. Oh, and here it does say, it's probably backwards too. This is why I'm getting this camera. It's mirrorless, which means that things should be right from now on. Things seem to be working okay for the moment. I'm excited to turn it on and see what I see inside. And then I can't wait to bring you awesome videos that are going to be new 4K, high def, all that good stuff that I know nothing about. And I also yesterday, I picked up the brand new Rode VideoMicro to go with this because I'm such a sucker and I want to have a nice setup. And I feel like because I was able to purchase this at a discounted rate through the Amazon warehouse, then I was able to get some of these other things and picked up a little tripod, honestly just at the local store, so that one's nothing fancy. I need something that will hold a camera instead of what I'm holding now, like my phone. So I can't wait to show you what the difference will be, so stay tuned. I am currently setting up my living room to be a little YouTube recording area because I feel like this would be a really fun spot to have little videos. I'm going to be moving my table over here, so the gray and the teal background will kind of be the backdrop. One thing I missed about doing the videos at home is you get to see the puppies. So here we've got Bentley, and then we have little lady experiencing some back problems. And so to reduce her mobility, she is in a laundry basket, complete with a blankie and a pillow. And she has a little heating pad here. I keep checking it. It's on low, but it's just warm enough to give her a little bit of comfort. So you might hear her whining in the background, but it's just because she can't follow me around everywhere like she likes to. Is that right? All right, I just kind of wanted to show you a little bit of the setup that I have going on. So this is my Sony camera with the with the Rode VideoMicro, and my camera setup over here will be the backdrop, and you can kind of see, oh boy, don't look at all that other stuff. I had to move a whole lot of things here, but here you can see me. I'm pretty excited about this. I feel like I'm all like professional, even though I know I'm not, because it's just fun. But check it out. My fun little set here for me to play. It's fun to play. Very, very cool. So I'm super excited to bring you some fun things. Little Bentley Boo.
I'm bored.
And then here's little lady girl.
I'm sleeping.
Hanging out with the mama. They're hanging out with me. Hi, this is Becky, and I am so excited that you've stumbled across my channel. I would love for you to check out some of my videos. I do a lot of painting tutorials, DIY, anything that can inspire you to be creative at home with the tools that you have. You really don't need anything too fancy. I would love for you to check out some of my videos. If you enjoy watching them, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that way you're notified when new videos are being released. I guess that's about what I got. The B stands for Becky and Brandon. Brandon is my son. He is 14 years old, almost 15, going into 9th grade. And I've been a single mom for my entire life. Well, I mean, not for my whole life, for his whole life. I honestly am so blessed, and I can't believe that I own a local little studio in Wisconsin Rapids, Wisconsin. It's pretty amazing, the doors that open for me. And there's also a lot of fear that occurs when you're walking into the unknown. Hopefully continue to create this space so that way it feels warm and welcoming. There might be some crazy shenanigans that goes on. So I hope that you will enjoy following my channel. You'll be inspired to create something, and I'm just really excited about having you join me. So feel free to watch and share if you feel like I would be a good fit for people that you know. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will come at you again soon.